Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to deactivate SOS mode on your iPhone. If you're ever in SOS mode and need to deactivate, there are a few simple methods you can try. First, head to your settings, toggle on airplane mode, then toggle it off. This should deactivate SOS. Another method is to toggle your Wi-Fi or data on and off. This can also help remove the SOS alert. If all else fails, you can force restart your phone. Simply press and hold the volume button and the power button together until the power off slider appears. Slide it to power off, and then turn your phone back on, and that should now be working. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.